So I think we're going to do a slime tutorial today. I have an obsession with slime videos. We're not going to be looking up a recipe today. I think we're just going to be doing it from my head. I got my glue, my Barbasol shaving cream, my foaming hand soap, Jingle All the Way, and my borax. Okay. So first you need to get your medium-sized bowl. And then we're gonna add some glue. I don't have any specific measurements. Now your foaming hand soap. Don't forget your handy dandy spatula. And then you're going to mix it all together. Needs a little more glue, I think. You want it to be about this consistency. So once your slime looks like this, nice and thick, you need to get a measuring cup. And you need to fill it with water, about this much water. Put it in the microwave until it's warm. Ow. Yes, that is warm. So then you're gonna take some borax. Oh wait, you need to get a spoon. You're gonna take some borax, maybe like, whoops. Dump it in. And you need to mix it until you can't see any of the little, what are they called, pellets, chunks, grains, till you can't see any more grains of borax. I might have added too much. The more the merrier. It's going to look a little foggy like this. So now you will take a little bit of borax and water, about 2 spoonfuls. It's going to start sticking together.
Like this. And then it's going to look like this.
And you have to start kneading it to make it all stick together. If necessary, you can add a little bit of hand soap and shaving cream if it needs to be a little more stretchy.
Satisfying.
Oh, there's a hair. And here is your slime. Oh, I never added food coloring. Now you can also add food coloring if you... I'm using gel. I don't know if that works or not. We're gonna find out.
Don't add too much, only a little bit.
And there you have it. Pastel yellow slime. That's so upsetting. After all that fun, you need to remember to clean your workspace. I'm a good child. That's why I'm drying my dishes and putting them away as well. And after all that fun you just had, don't forget to put all your ingredients back right where you found them.